Assalamu alaikum by the grace of Allah. So today is the first day of the Python class. So today we will starting our course of Python class. Okay. So first of all, we will see we will learn what is API. So basically, API is the simple meaning of the API is application programming interface. Okay, and oh, m- many API, what is API simple meaning is client to server communication through API. Okay, and like for example, if I give you the example like if I wanna data from the server of the one user, so it takes 10 minutes. So if I want 10 user data from the server, so it takes 100 minutes. So this is time. So if we direct go to the API, so it will take less time. Like it will, if I get the one user of data, so it will take 3 minutes. So this is the API. So we will check. There are many APIs like my personal. So I will check the API by this search on the Google IP info. Okay. So go on this website and you will check if it will give you the your personal IP. Okay. And if I on this link, if I add this like if I add right geo, so it will give me the all data, my IP, so city name, region, and also country. So it will give me the all data. Okay, so this is the API. Okay, so we will check on the PyCharm. So how we'll get the HTTP response. Okay, how we will get. So first of all, we will import our request. Okay, so if you are not install the request library, so first of all, uh, install the request library in by the terminal in the PyCharm. So here you click on the terminal, so it will open the terminal, and here you install by this command pip install request. Okay, so it will install the library. Okay, so my mistake, it is the request. So you see it will already install, so that's why it will not install. So if you have not the request library, so you will install from the terminal. Okay, and here you import request, and after that URL, we will give the URL. So my URL is this, I copy from here and paste here. Okay, so this is my URL. So we will also check the response. So we will store, we will declare the variable, and also we will store the request dot get and enter in the parentheses URL. Okay, so it will get the request from this URL. Okay, and we will print the, sorry, spelling mistake, and we will print the response. Okay, so we will check it give the response or not. Okay, so you it will give the response 200. So that mean this link is working. Like if I go on this website, and so if this link is not working, this API is not working, so it will give the error. Like if I enter 123.5678.9, slash geo. So it will not working. Okay, so it will give the, so it will also working. So but I will give the random id. So it you give the random id like 4567. So it will not working. Okay, you will see it will print the message, please provide a valid API. Okay, so we will also check this URL. So it will working. So it give the response 200 on or another. So we'll check. So we will run our script and we'll check, it will give the response 404. So that means this API is invalid. So if you get the response 200, so your API is working and it is correct. So if you get the response another by the 200, so the API is not valid. Okay, and after that we will go on our website and we will remove that and we'll check copy the IP from here and paste the IP here. Okay, so this is my IP. Okay, so we will make our script and we will copy the URL here. Okay, oh sorry, I will not copy the link. I will copy the link from here and paste here. Okay, and after that we will also see how we will print our data in the JSON form. Okay, like my way, you will see, wait. Okay, so we will print the my data. So we'll see what is the output it will give. Okay, so you will see it will give the all data which is show on this link. So it will give the all data in our script. So it will give the IP, city, region and country also. Okay, so it will give the all data. So we will check what is the type of our data. So by this command you will check your data. So my data is in the dictionary form. Okay, so you will also use for loop for I in my data colon print I. So we will see what is the output of this. Okay, so you will see it will give the only value or only key. Okay, so we'll see it will give only the IP, not the IP value. Okay, so you'll see it will give the only city. So you will see it will give only the region, not the region name, mean it will not give the value. So we will also use here key value. Okay, so we will see, so if I want key, we'll see it will give the, okay, so it will give the error because we will not use here item. So we will use here items. Okay, so we will see it will give the print the key only or not. So you'll see it will only print the uh, keys, all the keys which is present in my data. Okay, so if I want only values, like the value is city, IP number, region name, country name, so we will see it will give only the values. So you will see it will give only the value. So by that we will use item. So and so also use the key value. So it will give you the key and value. If you want key, so it will give you the key. If you want the value, so it will give you the value. So we will meet in the next session inshallah. So Allah Hafiz.